itong West Zone. Diyan lang ang bilihan ng non-halal foods. Basically mga baboy, ganun.
I want baboy.
What kind of baboy?
Adobo. I miss adobong baboy.
Okay, we will check what we have here. We need to carry one basket. So we will check chicken breast or chicken mix.
Legs to.
I think we need a chicken breast for the protein.
Breast. Sige na, breast.
I think you should fry it.
Try! Nakainis naman to. Try na try.
Eh di, it's up to you na lang. Tinanong mo pa ako kung hindi ka pala kuha ng idea sa akin. And then, punta kami sa, let's go here first. Sa non-halal. Alright. Bawal maingay dito.
Ano, very nice.
So, wala silang belly. Cancel lang baboy.
Out of stock.
So, I think we're going to get all-in chicken.
Chicken adobo. Every day.
Don't. Kailangan mong pigilan.
Yan na siya. Tutulog siya. I think tutulog siya.
Quiet.
Yan na siya mga.
Alin? Ang iyong otot?
Oo.
Yeah. So, wala nakakaalam nun.
Kami. Tayo lang guys.
Tayo lang guys na nakakaalam na siya ay umutot.
Lang yung legs lang para mura.
Sige.
With chicken fresh. Live. All done. Fruits.
Diba? Kasama kayo sa aming grocery experience. Excuse me, this is open?
So hot. So hot.
Option. Delivery.
Plastic good? Yes, please.
Yes. Card payment.
Sino ba? Meron yung wala.
Thank you bro. So yun, pauwi na kami.